This is our first OLED TV here in the country, and we're calling it the Xiaomi OLED Vision. This TV will also come for the very first time, bezel-less design on all the 4 slides. That's right, there's no chin to this TV, as you can see. And this is housed in an all-elegant metal body. It also comes with a whopping, impressive 97% screen-to-body ratio, giving you that amazing premium full-screen viewing experience. And it just looks gorgeous. This display is packed with over 8 million pixels. And all of this 8.29 million pixels are self-illuminating. That's right, they are their own light source and also at the same time produce billions of colors of shades. The second thing that you get with the OLED display is that I can turn each of those pixels individually all the way to down to 0 nits. This gives us the pitch perfect black that all of you guys crave for. As you can see here with the LCD display, it's very hard to achieve it. We also have an amazing 1.5 million:1 contrast ratio, making this our best ever TV display that we have ever shipped. We're also packing a true 10-bit panel. This is capable of producing over 1 billion colors. We're also packing a reality flow of 60 Hertz, which means the TV can intelligently analyze each frames and insert frames to give you and ensure a smooth UI, picture performance for things like sports or playing games. I'm very happy to share that the Xiaomi OLED Vision will be our first TV in India to come with IMAX Enhanced certification. We are very happy to share that the Xiaomi OLED Vision will come for the first time with Dolby Vision IQ technology. Talking about creators' intent, we're also packing HDR10+ technology that comes with this. As you guys know, HDR10+ technology comes with content on our TVs on Amazon Prime, which have a lot of originals. Tuning is the most important thing, and that's why this TV is shipping with the Vivid Picture Engine 2. What we do with Vivid Picture Engine is nothing but optimize the hardware and software to give you the best possible color, contrast, saturation, and brightness. I'm very happy to share that the Xiaomi OLED Vision will come with a whopping speaker cavity of 1.48 liter. This is the biggest that we have ever built, and all of this is custom built by our team. Now, what does speaker cavity mean? Speaker cavity essentially can displace more air. The more air you displace, the fuller the sound is. And this is complemented by not just 1 or 2, this is complemented with 8 speaker driver. That's right, you heard it right, 8 speaker drivers. We have never done this ever before in any Xiaomi TV. There are 4 active and 4 passive radiators to give you that amazing immersive viewing experience on the OLED Vision TV. Very happy to share that Dolby Atmos will be available right on the speaker box, right from the speaker box. This is again an object-based audio technology that creates an immersive surround experience right at your home. This is possible thanks to the all-new quad-core A73 chipset, which is again a high-performance processor, and for the very first time, we're bringing 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage out of the box to connect your external devices. As you can see, we have HDMI 2.1 compatible ports, one of them being eARC. You also have, if you notice, a headphone jack. We didn't stop there. We are also shipping the latest Wi-Fi 6 on the Xiaomi OLED Vision TV. Wi-Fi 6 ensures faster connectivity speed and stable performance, no matter where you keep the TV in your house. Of course, these will be made here in India. The Xiaomi OLED Vision TV will be launching at just 89,999. We also have bank offer from our partner. The Xiaomi OLED Vision TV will be available with a 6,000 rupee discount with our partners HDFC credit card and Easy EMI, which makes the effective price of the Xiaomi OLED TV at just 83,999.